So I was looking at a post from bike riders on Facebook and I came across this on the feed. And look what I got. This is a Mongoose Ardor mountain bike, 7-speed, 27 and a half inch wheels, and is maroon for $298. By the way, it is available. And look at this thing. I think this is a competitor for the Outcome or maybe even the Axum with the medium frame. Nah, something like that. More like towards the Outcome because this is a 27 and a half. But look at the features that this thing has. Suspension for double alloy wheel rims, 2.6 wide tires. It has a 1x right here, 1x. And look at the it's not a cassette, it is a freewheel apparently. And let's see, 7-speed trigger shifter is a Pro Rush, 14 to 38 tooth, so that's an okay range. Disc brakes up front and back, wide handlebars, and what it seems to be like a taper head tube. Look at this thing. And if it's, the color looks also great. I wish I can buy this, but I don't have a use for this thing. It's probably gonna be too big if I get it for my son. So I'm just gonna leave it at that and provide you guys with this great find. Again, it is available. Let me know. I don't have affiliates links to this. I don't have sponsors or anything like that. I just wanted to share this with you guys. It's a great looking bike. And that's it for this one, guys. Subscribe and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.